Today I wanna show you how to change the microprocessor of the ECU. I elect the Surgeon ECU, one of the hardest ECU for changing the micro, because this ECU has a rosin, and pick up the rosin is a little hard. I use the heater, dust heater, and these things to pick up all of the rosin. I pick up this microprocessor from the stock ECU, and I wanna change it. At the first, you need to clean all of the pins of this ECU. I clean the surface of the board with this device. Be careful, don't connect the pin together, because if you install the microprocessor, you may get big damage. For checking the pins, you can use this device. This is the camera with the 1000x zoom. It's so cheap, you can buy it. Some of the expert technicians use a microscope, but I use this simple loop. I check the pins. Yes, it's correct. Anyhow, pins don't connect together, because this microprocessor, I pick up the stock board. It need to clean it. And then check it beyond the loop. One of the pins connect together. I use this device to it. Okay, it's correct. Find the pin 1 and push the flaxseed fluid to pins. Check it, all of pins correct. And then you install one pin around the board. And you need again check it all of the pins. in this loop. When you show all of the pins of this microprocessor installed correct on the in, you turn on the meter and give it to beat. Maybe you need several times check all of the pins because it is very sensitive, and if one of the pins don't connect to the board, your ECU is not working. Check many times, several times. This device, you can use this device. All of the pins correctly connect or not. But I like using this simple. And you can use this device to ensure the pins is connect or not. For example, some of the pins is not connect, is shake. You can again give it the heat. Therefore, you can use a simple and cheap device for repairing the issue. It depends on you. Just be careful and check your board and pins several times and sure the all of things is correct. You need to, your mind is relax, don't hurry, and I push the flexi again. And use a device. Always use it flaxy fluid. Now it's finished and we can check it in this loop. Check the all of pins. No pins connect together. Yes, is correct, and now we installed a new microprocessor for this device. Thank you for watching my video.